Dear students, today we will study Brassicaceae or Cruciferae, which is also called as mustard family. And I am a Rajkumar sir. Now we start with our lecture. First, the systematic position as per Bantham and Hooker. Class is Dicotyledone. The characteristic features of this class, few characteristic features only. Venation is reticulate, flowers are usually pentamerous, and cotyledons are usually two. Then subclass polypetally. Here petals are free. Series thalamiflory. Flowers are hypogynous and ovary superior. Order Perietals. Carpels united to form unilocular ovary with parietal placentation. Family Brassicaceae or Cruciferae. Herbs with alternate X-stipulate leaves. Corolla is cruciform. Stamens tetradynamous. Ovary bicarpellary. Syncarpous. Unilocular. But becomes bilocular due to the development of false septum. Fruit is siliqua. It consists of about 340 genera, 3,350 species. It is a cosmopolitan family mainly distributed in north temperate zones, particularly the Mediterranean regions. The salient features of this family is that it has mostly herbs. The sap is watery, sepals and petals are four each, free, stamens are tetradynamous, ovary is with false septum and a thickened placental rim called trapezium. Ovary is superior, placentation parietal, fruit is a siliqua or silicula. Major genera includes Draba, Arisimum, Lapidum, Cardamine, Arabis, Elysum, Sesambrium, and Brassica. These are the pictures of these few important plants: Sesambrium, Brassica rapa, Raphanus stivus, Brassica oleracea variety capitata, which is also called as cabbage. Next, the cauliflower, which is Brassica oleracea variety botrytis. Then, Arabidopsis thaliana. Next is the Draba, Arisimum, Lapidum, Cardamine, Arabis, Lobularia, Oralisum, broccoli, Draba varna. Next is broccoli and Draba varna. Now we will study the vegetative characters. The habit: nearly all are herbs, annuals, and biennials. All parts of the plant produced pungent juice rich in sulfur contents or glucosinolates. Root is the tap root, sometimes swollen on account of food storage. It may become fusiform as in radish or become napiform as in turnip. Stem is herbaceous, erect, cylindrical, rarely woody, often reduced, for example, radish and turnip, so that the leaves appear radical. It is thick like a comb in Noel cole, Gant gobi. Leaves simple, colline in ramal, alternate, exstipulate, frequently hairy, very much divided, lyrate or rancinate on reduced stems, that is radical, mostly in rosettes but sessile and auriculate in the floral region. Bulbils develop on the axils of upper leaves, for example, Dentaria bulbifera. They are axillary, while in case of Cardamine pratensis, the bulbils are borne on leaves. Few word meanings like colline leaves mean that leaves are present on the nodes of the stem. Ramal leaves means leaves are present on the branches. Exstipulate leaves means stipules are inconspicuous or entirely absent. Lyrate leaves means it is shaped like a lyre that is having a terminal large lobe and a smaller rounded lobes towards its base. Rancinate means it is irregularly serrated with the lobes or teeth curved towards the base. Auriculate leaf, ears like lobes pointing towards the petiole. Now we will study the floral characters. First, the inflorescence. Inflorescence is raceme as in canola, corymb in candy tuft, or corymbo raceme as in mustard. Cauliflower consists of condensed solid mass of inflorescence which is edible and is usually taken as a vegetable. You see the photographs of cauliflower, rapeseed, Brassica juncea, candy tuft. This slide shows the differences between the three types of inflorescence raceme, corymb, and corymbose raceme. Now the flower. Flowers are ebracteate, no bracteoles, pedicellate, bisexual, regular, complete, actinomorphic, rarely zygomorphic, as in candy tuft, shepherd's cress, hypogynous, and cyclic. Calyx consists of four sepals in two whorls, free caducus. Inner lateral sepals are often saccate or pouch shaped at the base. They show imbricate estivation and are inferior. Corolla is made up of four petals, clawed and diagonally placed like the arms of a cross, that is cruciform, imbricate or twisted estivation, inferior. Petals are absent in some species of Coronopus and Lapidum. In Capsella bursa pastoris, shepherd's purse, the stamens are more or less aborted and petals are sometimes replaced by four stamens. Androecium consists of six stamens, free, tetradynamous, and these are arranged in two whorls. For example, mustard. The shorter stamens are two in number and in the outer whorl or outer in position, while the four longer stamens they are arranged in two pairs are inner in position. Four green dot-like nectar glands are present at the base of the outer and inner pair of stamens. Stamens may be reduced to two coronopus or four cardamine hirsuta nasturtium, or it may be up to 16 megacarpia polyandra. Gynoecium is bicarpellary, that is, it consists of two carpels, syncarpus, that is, they are fused. Ovary is superior, unilocular, but becomes bilocular due to this false septum called rapellum, parietal placentation. Rapellum unites the two parietal placentae. Ovules many, styles 1, stigma 2, capitate or bilobed. Now the fruit. Fruit is siliqua or for example in mustard, or silicula, for example candy tuft and shepherd's purse. Seed small, non-endospermic with large curved embryo. Testa is often mucilaginous. Fruit developing from bicarpellary syncarpus superior ovary, which is initially one chambered but subsequently becomes two chambered due to the formation of a false septum visible on the outside in the form of a rim called as a rapellum. The fruit dehisces along both sutures from the base upwards. Valves separate from septum and the seeds remain attached to the rim. This is the characteristic feature of the family Brassicaceae. The fruit is narrower and longer, at least three times longer than the broad, as in Brassica and Sesambrium. Silicula, when all the features are the same as described for silicua, but in case of silicula or silical, the length is less than three times the width of the dried fruit. Now we will study the economic importance. First use is vegetables in daily use. For example, radish, cauliflower, cabbage, knoll cole, Brussels sprouts, mustard, they are used as vegetables in our kitchen. Oil is obtained from Brassica rapa. Synonym is Brassica campestris, Brassica juncea, Brassica nigra, Brassica alba, etc. It is used for cooking, pickles, burning, massaging, etc. Ornamentals like candy tuft, honest, sweet alyssum, stalks, wallflower form important plants with beautiful flowers. Medicinal importance, it is a rich source of vitamin C. The pungent odor of the plant is due to the sulfur compounds which are of medicinal value. Woad was formerly used as a blue dye obtained from the leaves of Isetis tinctoria. Many weeds form the part of this family, like Capsella bursa pastoris, shepherd's purse, Barbaria, Lapidum virginicum, Coronopus didymus, etc. Now you can go through many books like Simpson, MG 2006 Plant Systematics, Singh's Gurucharan Plant Systematics Theory and Practice, PC Vasishta's Taxonomy of Angiosperms, AC Datta's Botany for degree students, SK Khanna and Dhara Pathania's Angiosperm for degree students, etc. Last but not the least, believe yourself, work hard, and do our countries proud. Thank you. Thank you very much.